welcome to Nick and Chris Works, where we attempt to build things, make things, repair things with the little knowledge we have in our little garage with minimal tools and minimal cost. Welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how we change this wall of stuff to a nice organized rack system. In the process we gained about 2 feet of garage space by removing this wooden handmade shelf and got things cleaned up a lot. I figure I'd go online and look for garage racks first of all until I seen the price of them. And yeah, and I figured closet shelving will pretty much do the same job and be the right size for my garage. For 16 bucks, I couldn't go wrong. Started off by cleaning the wall off, getting everything off of there and the nails out of the wall. Figured spray painting would save some time, but that was a mistake. It didn't work at all. Back to the good old-fashioned roller. The car is 64 inches high. Well, at least the car I drive. We're going to put the first shelf up from the ground, 64 inches. We made all our pencil marks 64 inches from the floor and then put the level up to the pencil marks and realize it's not level because the garage floor needs to drain forward. Nope. Boop.
Oh my.
My measurements were off about a 1/4 inch, so I had to do some modifications. But in the meantime, I got some pretty cool slow-mo video. Done. Simple as that. It fits. All that work just to fit the truck into the garage.